Hi Aria. What are you buying?
Hi Daisy. I am buying some fruits. Do you like fruits?
Yes. I love fruits. My favorite is apples. What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas. They are very sweet.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I like to make pasta. What about you?
I also cook. I like to make salads. They are healthy and easy to make.
That sounds good. Maybe we can cook together sometime.
Yes. That would be fun. We can share recipes.
Sure. Do you need help with your shopping?
No. I am almost done. Thanks for asking.
All right. It was nice to see you. Daisy.
Nice to see you too. Aria. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Please like this video. I hope you liked this conversation. If you so improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.